Good morning to all. I am Dr. N. Priyadarshini, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Ramapuram campus. So today I am going to discuss del and divergence. Before I going to start the topic, this topic is present in the syllabus for first year BTech students. ECE, that is syllabus course name is Physics, Electromagnetic Theory, Quantum Mechanics, Wave and Optics. So in this topic is the first unit. Before I going to start, that is electromagnetism and dielectric, just I give a what is electromagnetism. We all know electromagnetism is deal with electricity and magnetic field. So sometimes it is describe a relation between electrical charged particle they produce, that is electric magnetic field they produce, and how this field or interact with one another. The main principle of electromagnetism is a fundamental to many areas of modern technology, sometimes including electrical power generation, communication, transportation, and medical imaging. Like real-time example for electromagnetism, we all know electric generators and motors. That isn't one of a real-time example of this. Then MRI, that is magnetic resonance imaging. That technique is utilize a strong magnetic field to create images of internal body structures. That also one of the very good example for electromagnetism. And electromagnetic wave and communication, it is everybody know the communication, so we use through television, radio and cellular mobiles, that we use electromagnetic magnetism is a basic principle. Electromagnetic spectrum, that is also one of a real-time example for electromagnetism. So under this area we are going to study del operators. So what is del operator in vector calculus? Del operator is usually an abolo or mathematical symbol is an that is and del, that is an it is a scalar function. Sometimes it gives a gradient. While operating with a vector, we say the same expression as a divergence. So accordingly, it can, the del operator is a basic concept in many areas of physics engineering, that is mainly in electromagnetism, fluid mechanics and quantum mechanics. So it generally describe and analyze the behavior of electric magnetic field in space and time. So these are the del operators. And we know the divergence. Divergence, here it represents div d or del dot div, that is equal to dou Vx by dou x plus dou Vy by dou y plus dou Vz by dou z. This is called a divergence. It is a scalar quantity. Next, divergence, usually it is a vector operator that describe that is extend its vector field. That is, here the field may be outside or inside depending upon if the field from the point it's coming outside, we call it as a positive divergence. If the field is entering inside that, it we called as a negative divergence. The entering and exiting of field is equal, we called as a zero divergence. So that is an outward direction, flowing outward or whatever that belong to. If the field is zero, then we represent as, see, solenoidal. So here divergent positive, the flow is outside. Here it inside, it is equal, that is div equal to 0, that is called solenoidal. If div of any scalar quantity is 0, we call it as a solenoidal. And the next one is a curl. Curl is also a vector operator that describe a rotation of a vector field. It measures sometimes rationally rotational field or circular field. So mathematically, what is that? The resulting vector or something. It is more important area physics in electromagnetism. That is, we mostly study this curl in fluid dynamics or quantum mechanics. So it is describe the behavior of electromagnetic field, motion of fluid and gases, and behavior of quantum mechanic wave function. So if curl V is equal to that, we write in the matrix format del cross. So this cross symbols indicate the curl. I, J, K, dou V, dou by dou X, dou by dou Y, dou by dou Z, Vx, Vy, Vz. So in this curl, if curl any matrix or any vector field is equal to 0, that is called irrotational. Thank you.